Hello my beautiful bad bitches, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. If you have not seen my face before, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. I had to bring that intro back because Stephanie, I see you girl, you mentioned it in the comments on one of my videos and I was just like, you know what, I liked that intro. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I have a super exciting video. Also, I'm sitting in front of an elementary school. I have to charge the car, so it's a strange background. Today I'm going to be talking about rich bitch energy and how to be wealthy. Let's not get it twisted. There's the money aspect and then there's the energy aspect, but the money is a side effect to the energy. I'm gonna go through like all of my tips and tricks, things that I do on a daily basis to maintain this rich bitch energy. Your girl was once a broke bitch, let's be real, and I do not want you to be a broke bitch, okay? I want you to live your life, be able to go wherever you want, do whatever you want, and just have the financial freedom and the freedom of energy to expand. And so that is what I'm here for today. So if you want to hear more, just keep on watching. Let's get one thing straight. One thing that you have to understand when it comes to money, there's your belief systems and there's other people's belief systems, and I'm going to get into that a little bit later in the video, but I want to address something first. We need money to live and survive on this planet. This is something that was created by man and actually in a sense was not, because the energy exists anyways, with or without the paper dollar. So with that basic understanding, money should be a given to us because it provides food, water, shelter, all of the things that we need in order to survive. So we do, in a sense, need the money in order to survive. Therefore, we are entitled to it. We, as spiritual beings on this planet, we are entitled to the money in order to survive. And it's up to you to align your energy in a sense of going to get that. I want you to take a second and just sit here and understand that no matter what financial circumstance you are in, no matter what financial circumstance you have been, you are still living here and breathing and watching this YouTube video. You somehow have the energy or the money to sit here and watch a YouTube video, which not a lot of people have. So let's just be grateful to even just be sitting here watching this video so that I can relay this information to you. Gratitude is a very huge step in having rich bitch energy. I am so grateful every day for literally everything in my life, not even just finances, but just like everything. And yes, finances create a lot, but it doesn't create happiness. Let's be real. I will tell you, my happiness came before the money. You have to understand what your limiting beliefs are and to unlearn those. How you unlearn those is that in our life, we see things that happen in our life and we take that as evidence to create a belief system of our story. That's evidence for the story that we create for ourselves. Instead of taking evidence from past experiences, why not take positive evidence of like, oh yeah, like that thing that happened to me, I was so lucky to like have that, or like even just like picking up $1 on the floor. Those experiences create the evidence for your new story. Any type of positive evidence that you can think of, only focus on those. When you focus on the positive evidence, you then create a new story in your mind and you start to embody that story, and that story becomes yours. Just the basic understanding of that you can create any story that you want for yourself. Your story right now does not have to be the story that you live for the rest of your life. You can have a different story, and that can change at any moment. That can change right now in this moment. My dad used to say, oh, money doesn't grow on trees, and I heard that growing up. But in my brain now, money does grow on trees. You want to know why? Because the oxygen comes from trees. The trees are living and breathing and they are alive, and that is enough energy for me to even be alive. If it was not for the trees, I would not be breathing. Just to put that in perspective, this is free oxygen on the planet. Recognizing the free things in life and the things that are already given to us and being appreciative for the things that are already here on the planet will give you so much more. I asked someone really close to me who has had struggles with money in their life, like, what is one belief system or blockage that really stops you from achieving your goals? And they said, the people around me, the fear that people create around me. And I was like, ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one to touch on, because I asked them for this video. The people around you are a direct reflection of the beliefs that are within within yourself. You cannot change those other people's beliefs unless you change your own belief. If it comes to a point where you actually do change your belief and then you're not resonating with those people anymore, then it's time to cut those people out of your life or just distance yourself, because it's not doing you or them any favors. And I'm not talking in terms of money, I'm talking about in terms of energy. Everybody has a different perspective of what's worth it, what's not, what's expensive, what's not. I am always grateful for any type of service that is provided for me or anything. Even if I think it's expensive in my head, I don't say it out loud, because the word expensive to me, I personally associate it with can't afford. There's a difference between not in your budget of what you're willing to spend and what you can't afford. It's not the money, it is the energy that you put out. You could literally be so freaking rich, you could be a freaking millionaire, and you could still have broke bitch energy. You want to know why? Because the money does not give you that rich bitch energy. You give you that rich bitch energy. And I am not telling you to go outside and buy a Lamborghini. I am telling you to feel as if you can do whatever you want whenever you want. You have nothing to lose, because what's the point? Like, why not be delusional? Why not be fucking delusional and be fucking happy? Why feel stuck? Why feel like you can't go out to eat with your friends? Why feel like you can't pay rent and have a good life? You know, once you start feeling the emotions of like, oh, I can do whatever I want whenever I want, the money's going to come to you naturally. Sometimes I'll get in ruts where I'm just like, I'm not doing the best financially, but the one thing I know how to do is manifest. There was this one time that I spent almost every single dime in my bank account. I had an emergency come up and I had to spend literally every dime in my bank account. I was not too happy about it. However, I looked at that as, okay, this money is providing me the experience. So this is the experience that life is taking me. I'm going to enjoy this experience. I'm not going to sit there and be like, poor me, I can't do this, I can't do that. No, I just paid for something huge that I'm supposed to be experiencing. My message to you is you need to enjoy it. There have been so many times in my life where I have spent money and I only think about, oh my god, I just spent so much money. Like, oh my god, I just spent so much money on this. But it was something I wanted. Like, it was something that I wanted. What the fuck? Like, even my car payment, for instance, at first I was just like, dang, like, how am I gonna do this? But like, I enjoy it instead, and it feels so much better to enjoy something that I pay for than to sit there and complain in my head about how much I just spent on it. Because let's be real, that's not going to get us anywhere, and that is broke bitch energy. So when you do pay for something, whether it's big or small, don't think about the amount of money you spent on it. Think about like how great the experience is and how amazing what you bought is and how happy you are. Even if it's just rent, you know, I know it can feel like a load of you is just like gone, but like embrace that. Literally just say, oh my god, I'm so happy I get to live another month here. I'm so happy I'm able to afford it. That type of mentality is going to get you more money in the long run, like more of the physical money and more of the experiences that money brings. After I had spent every dime in my bank account, one thing that I did was meditation, because meditating helps me so much. It literally shifts my reality overnight. I've gotten so good at meditating. I didn't used to be so good at meditating, but practice makes progress. I will leave some meditations down in the description box below that I listen to that are free. I also have some that aren't free. I listen to Anila Sita, I listen to The Wizard Liz, I listen to It's Baby J, Erin Dowdy. I will leave those linked down below of the ones that I listen to on an everyday basis. Also music, affirmational music, telling yourself like, I'm the richest bitch out there, like I can do anything I want. Anything I want, I will get, no matter what. After I did meditation, because I have 7 streams of income, I was actually thinking it was going to come from my biggest stream of income. This is why you shouldn't have resistance, because it actually came from a sponsorship opportunity that I was just like, wow, who would have known? It actually came from something else. So the money can come from anywhere. It doesn't have to come from your job. It doesn't have to come from someone giving it to you. You could literally find it on the side of the road. You could literally win it somewhere. Mr. Beast could give you like $1 million. You never freaking know what this universe is capable of. That's like the fun part about this, is that your belief systems create your reality. You are in charge. You place an order to the universe and the universe will provide no matter what, because you are the universe experiencing itself. You are are the universe's baby. The universe wants to take care of you and nourish you and give you everything that you desire, but you have to align your belief systems and your energy to it, because this life is all a process of learning and evolving. So the last thing I want to say is you need to be it. You need to embody it. You need to literally embrace who you are. You are a rich bitch, and you need to tell yourself that every single day of your life. You are wealthy, you are worthy, you are grateful, you are the baddest rich bitch on the planet, and nobody's gonna stop you from getting what you want in your life. Point blank, period. Get the broke bitch mentality out of your head, because that's not serving you. Get rid of all of the blockages that are not serving you anymore. It does take a little bit to unlearn them depending on the person. Once you're out of that, you then start to create, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you then start to create these new stories for yourself based on new experiences and based on new evidence. Once you have evidence, you then create that story and that belief system that's like, oh, why couldn't I manifest that? I did that this time when I was like feeling broke, and like, you know, that happens to me all the time where I'm like, oh, like I don't have enough money for this, but then I'm like, wait, why not? Why not? The universe will provide no matter what, and I have evidence to prove it because it happened this time, this time, this time, this time, and even when I was really freaking broke this time and I didn't know what I was gonna do, the universe has always showed up for me no matter what. That is the belief system that I've created for myself. I was not born with this belief system, just like you were not born with this belief system, most likely. The good news is that you can change it, because I am living proof that you can change it. Now I embody the rich bitch energy. When I talked to this person who mentioned like the fear perspective of other people, you need to understand that there's a little bit of them in you. You are who you hang around. I'm sorry to say it, but if you have people with a broke bitch mentality, you are going to be a broke bitch no matter what. And so if you want to help them, if you want to help evolve their brain as well, once you get this belief down in your system, you can help them and you can relay all of this information to them, and they can evolve as well, and maybe they'll evolve with you. Maybe you guys will go on this journey of like fixing your broke bitch mentality. You can be the brokest bitch on earth and have rich bitch energy. I will tell you, when I had very close to nothing in my bank account, after I spent all of my money, I still remained in that rich bitch energy. Because why? Because I am a rich bitch. Simple as that. And then the money appeared unexpectedly. I survived, and I'm here, and I'm living, I'm breathing. I want to throw a disclaimer out there. This rich bitch mentality, it is not an entitled energy. It is not a snobby energy. It is not feeling better than everyone else. It is embodying who you also want everybody else to be, to help other people. When you heal yourself, when you heal your traumas, when you heal your limiting beliefs, that is a ripple effect to everybody else in your life. You may not think you're contributing that much by just telling one person this information, but you are, because they're gonna go and tell the next person and the next person and the next person and the next person, and then everybody on this earth is gonna have rich bitch energy. As long as we keep this cycle going and literally just put this rich bitch energy out there, everybody can evolve and everybody will win. There is enough energy and money in the universe to go around. It is not entitled to just one person. It is not for just billionaires. You can be a billionaire too. All these other billionaires, they did it. Why can't you? What is blocking you from living your rich bitch energy life? I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you got something out of today's video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. Also, leave a comment down below. What helps you get out of like your broke bitch mindset? I want to hear, what meditations do you listen to? What music do you listen to? I really want to hear like what you guys listen to, because I want to add it to my playlists as well. And make sure you don't leave any links, because YouTube will delete it. Yeah, if you could leave a comment down below of the title of the song or meditation you listen to and what platform it's on. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!